Good evening, friends. I'm Deepak Tripathi. On behalf of iSolution, I'm telling you what models and configuration we have and what versions. This is 98. All versions 11, 12, 13, 14 with different configurations we have. This is 86. Again, all models, all configuration we have. 432, 8, 128, 8, 126 and 16, 256 also available. This is 75. Again, all versions are available with us. And this is 65. We have 65 also with us. And this is one of the hot selling models today in the market. And this is again 65. And foremost lovely thing is like 105 we have for new customers who don't know much about it. So all versions, all configurations we have, and all versions are available with us. Thank you and have a great time.